Now we're going to look at some more advanced skills in Microsoft PowerPoint. So in Google Classroom, you will see the Advanced Driving Green PowerPoint material list, and you see that we are going to download the Driving Green Advanced file. You see there are a couple other files that we'll download and we'll import into our document just like we did with Excel and Word and Access. So we're going to click on those three dots, open a new window, and download. And this is going to look similar to the first PowerPoint that we did. We're just going to be adding a few more things in. All right, so we're going to go to the first slide. On the first slide, we're going to select the title. One of the things we can do to emphasize title is add text effects. So in the Drawing Tools Format tab, we're going to go to Text Effects, and you see you have options like Shadow, Reflection, or Glow. We're going to choose Shadow, and we're going to choose the Offset. Let's see which one. Let's choose Offset Bottom. And you can see how it kind of gives a little glow beneath our letters. Next, we're going to select our title, Driving Green, and we are going to change our character spacing. So this is the space in between each of the letters. So you see you have spacing options like normal, more very loose. You can do things like tight spacing in between, etc. And so you can see the difference between all those different options. We're going to choose the loose option. Next, we're going to go to slide 4. On slide 4, we are going to change our layout option. So if you create a slide and maybe you decide you don't like the layout, you can always click on the layout button and you can just choose a different slide layout. We're going to select the section header option, and you can see the difference that it makes there. Next, let's go to slide 9. On slide 9, we are going to select our text and our placeholder. One of the things you can do with your text and your placeholder is you can change the column. So if we wanted to change this to multiple columns, we could click on the column button and you see the options for 2 or 3 columns. You can choose more columns if you would like. We're going to choose the 2 column option. And then we can move our clip art just a little bit. So there are various ways that you can add slides into your presentation, as we learned on the last video. You can also add in slides from another presentation. So if somebody shared a presentation with you that you needed to add in, you could do that. So we're going to click after slide 10. So click after slide 10, you should see that red line right there. And we're going to go into Google Classroom and we're going to make sure that we download the files that we need. So we're going to download the slide insert file. So we're going to take this PowerPoint and we're going to add it into the one we already have started working on. We don't have to open it up. We can go back to our Driving Green Advanced PowerPoint, that red line. And then we're going to go to the new slide button on our Home tab. And you can see that we have the option to click on Reuse Slides. From there, we can browse for where those files are. We're going to look in our downloads. I'm just going to go to today's date. And we're going to find where it says Slide Insert Green Part 2. So you can find it easily in your downloads. Click Open and you can see all the slides that are a part of that presentation. And then you can select the slides and you'll see that each slide is going to be added in. So just click on it one time and you can see over there on the left that the slides are being added in. So now you should have a total of 17 slides. Now we're going to click after slide 13. And we are going to insert a slide using an outline this time. So we inserted it using another presentation. We can insert slides using an outline as well. So this time we are going to go back to Google Classroom, and we're going to find our Word document, and we are going to download the Driving Green Eco-Friendly Outline. So after you download that, we'll look at the next steps for inserting it into our presentation.